JPS says that higher fuel prices will affect the cost of electricity as Jamaicans brace for a higher light bill to come soon. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Jamaica Public Service JPS is raising concern about the rising fuel prices in the wake of Russia's invasion of Ukraine and how this will affect customers. It has called for a national response to the global crisis. Jamaica is heavily dependent on imported island natural gas for the production of electricity and transportation and manufacturing. The war in Ukraine means fuel price is much more expensive and there is less of it, explained JPS Chief Financial Officer Vernon Douglas. The prices of both island natural gas have increased since last year. They will increase much more now. A higher fuel cost means higher electricity costs. We have to pay more to fuel suppliers. We have no choice. Fuel makes up half of customers' electricity bills, so the charges of 1 month may change compared to the next, and this is quite significant, the JPS CEO stated. He hopes that the government will also suspend the fuel and electricity tax to further ease the burden on consumers during this difficult time. To this end, the company has started discussion with its fuel suppliers, Petrojam and New Phosphorus Energy, to access their ability to meet the country's fuel demand. Our suppliers are exploring all options to secure fuel to keep the lights on. There could be a global fuel shortage as sanctions tighten on Russia. A small country like Jamaica could be badly affected. We all have to work together to get through this, as this is a global crisis, the JPS CEO stated. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.